The SDK320 Type 4 Edges Sealing of Bag Packing Machine. The SDK320 Type 4 Edges Sealing of Bag Packing Machine is applicable for pharmaceutical, healthcare, food, chemical industry. It is according with the GMP standard. It can pack all kinds of chews, capsule, and seal for edges. This machine is an automatic machine with engine, electrical, and air, and the structure is simple. It has good, stable, and wide packing range. It operates by human-machine interface and controlled by PLC. It makes the machine more intelligent. The temperature is very stable because of independent temperature clock. Photoelectric fouling system can make pattern in both sides of bag more perfect, packing position more nicety. The main flow are spreading roll, filling packing material, sealing, batch number, longitudinal cutting line, longitudinal cutting, or crossing cutting, convey the product, relieve the waste. First, spreading roll. Spreading roll settings are set up in both sides of the machine. The packing machine roll is fixed by tighten ring in the spindle. It can adjust the position of the PVC roll. The power of tighten is controlled by magnet powder power. It can keep the pulling power of the packing material as not changed from big to small. The PVC comes by the 3 guiding roller to the sealing roller. Second, filling the packing things. The filling setting is overhead machine. It fills the packing things to the guiding board by 12 times shakeable. The guiding board will lock the material firstly and come by the cam control to pull the packing things to the sealing area for sealing in the fixed cycle time. Third, sealing, patch number. After the packing things came into the heating roller, 2 pieces of the packing material are sealed under the pressure and the temperature of the 2 heating roller. But it hasn't sealed, which is in the concave of the heating roller. The packing things are slipped to the position from the filling setting. The packing material and the packing things are moved together by the power of the heating roller. At last, the packing things have been packed well. Well, it comes to the patch number setting. The patch number setting type the number on the crossing line. Patch number can change conveniently according to the request. Fourth, longitudinal line and longitudinal cutting. Longitudinal line and longitudinal cutting have the same principles, just the function is different. Cut a longitudinal line is cut the break line along the longitudinal mark. Longitudinal cutting is cut the bag along the longitudinal mark. Fifth, a crossing cutting. After longitudinal cutting, we must have cross-cutting to get a suitable bag. A cross-cutting is controlled by induction switch, air organ, belt, knife, finish the cutting. Cutting and sawtooth is convenience for division. 6. Convey the product. The product with head cross-cutting was followed down the conveyor. The conveyor is driven by engine conveying the product to the box or the produce finish. 7. Relieve the waste. Waste is conveyed to the outside of the machine by the motor, which is designed for specialties, so it can separate from the product. Main special fiction. Packing material. Compound room made of plastic and aluminum and plastic. Weight. Maximum 320 mm. Thickness 0.05 to 0.1. Inter diameter 70 to 76 mm. Packing speed. Across cutting time more than and equal to 15 times per minute. Packing dose 1 to 2 charge. Installed power 6 kilowatt. Electrical source 3-phase 4 lines. Alternative current 380 watt 50 Hz. Outer sizes. Length 1500 mm. Width 1070 mm. Height 2100 mm. Weight 1100 kg.